Freddie had an unusual cause of injury to his inferior nerve, a rare form of tumor known as a schwannoma that invaded the right side of his mandible. This lesion extended from the second molar to the sigmoid notch, involving the entire right ramus of the mandible.
After going to the dentist says, well, it looks like it might be your wisdom teeth coming out. We should do an x-ray. After going into the x-ray machine, a few minutes later, the dentist comes back and says, Freddie, I think you need to go see a specialist. The specialist says, Freddie, well, it's a tumor. We don't know exactly what kind or if it's malignant or not. More likely it's not, but nevertheless, a biopsy needs to be done. I feel very comfortable with the doctors. They explained to me everything in simple terms where I understood them and I knew what I was up against. And my response to that, I said, I was referred to you because they say you guys are the best.
We have a defect of a nerve. We have several options for repair. Primarily, we would like to consider a direct repair if possible, but if that's not possible without tension on the nerve repair site, we consider nerve graft. And we have several options, including the sural nerve or a cadaveric allograft. Following a discussion with the patient, we decided to excise the tumor and perform an immediate reconstruction using bone graft and a nerve graft. At surgery, we identified a large schwannoma intimately involving the right inferior nerve. Following tumor resection, a 5 centimeter advanced nerve graft was placed between the proximal and distal nerve stumps. We have been using the Advance cadaveric allograft now for several years with excellent clinical results, and this option avoids donor site morbidity associated with autograft options. Freddie has done extremely well since his surgery. He showed signs of neurosensory recovery within 8 weeks following the repair.
When I speak, I run a retail business, so I'm constantly engaging with customers. So drooling or maybe slurring when I spoke was I thought was going to be an issue, and the fact that I wasn't having that issue, or I'm not having that issue, is big for me.